Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin Etoro step by step. Open your Etoro account and complete verification by uploading your ID and proof of address to unlock deposits. Next, enable two-factor authentication for added security and link your bank or card to fund the account. Search for Bitcoin, review charts and fees, choose buy or trade, set your amount, and confirm the order to complete your purchase. Start by selecting deposit funds in Etoro and choose your preferred payment method from the list. Enter the exact amount you want to deposit, confirm the currency, and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Keep an eye on any deposit limits and fees, and wait for confirmation that funds are available. Once the deposit clears, your balance will update, and you can proceed to buy Bitcoin or explore other assets on the platform. When you find Bitcoin on Etoro, tap Trade to open the order interface and pick Buy to place a long position. Enter the amount you want to invest, choose Market for immediate execution or Limit to set a target price, and review the displayed fee and spread. Consider adding stop loss or take profit levels to automate risk control, then confirm the order and watch your position appear in your portfolio for monitoring and adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.